Hello traders, hope you are all doing great and welcome back to the channel. And markets are as usual volatile, right? So markets yesterday, what happened, exactly opposite happened today, and we cannot blame anyone. This is purely FIIs and DIIs activity, and FIIs and DIIs are net buyers and sellers. We'll see about that in a few minutes. But what if I tell you that I have a strategy, I have a plan for next week, and if this plan works out, it is going to make a good profit. In fact, 13% profit, or let's say 1.5 lakh profit. And if this plan fails, I'll be making a loss of 1.6 lakhs. Now I'll share this strategy. This is not a rocket science. This is very simple strategy. But the key here is what we are going to do, or how we are going to manage this strategy is what we are going to do, what we are going to see. But before that, let me tell you one thing. No matter what happens, I don't think market is likely to go below 18,300. I am talking about Nifty. Nifty is not likely to go below 18,300, and Bank Nifty is not likely to go below maybe around 43,000. So this is what I believe. So with this being said, I have a very simple strategy which I am going to share with you, and see if you can do the strategy. In fact, I will share the strategy in our Telegram group, and if you want, you can follow our Telegram group, for which the link is on the description below. Today morning also I shared a expiry day trade, which of course this trade was taken before, but we shared a expiry day trade, and this is the strategy which we are going to deploy tomorrow. So tomorrow morning I'll post the strategy in the Telegram group. So if you want, you can I'm not trying to say you can trade or you have to trade. You just try paper trading, or just follow us what we are doing, we are going to do, or what we are going to manage. Right now, this is not a rocket science. As I told you, this is not a rocket science. This is a normal straddle, but how we are going to manage it, how we are going to make this into profit is what we are trying to say here. Right now, as I told you, this is having a break-even point between 18,296 and 18,804, right? And this will, the maximum profit is around 1.27 lakhs, or 20%, or 1.48 lakhs. Now when it comes to max profit and max loss, either we are not going to sit till it is going to hit max profit, or we are not going to sit till it hits a max loss. In between, we will do some adjustment, or we will manage some adjustment. These management or these adjustment, whatever we are going to do, I'll post in our Telegram group. In fact, we posted many trades, and I'll show you one long-term option which we took on March series, and it is in a profit of around 1.27 lakhs. Right now, what is the strategy? It is a very simple strategy. June month, in the month of March, we took a June expiry trade, which is in a profit of around 1.27 lakhs. It is being traded in one of our account. So this is a trade which we have taken, and you believe me or not, till now we haven't done any adjustment at all, and it is sitting in good profit. Right, so we'll talk about that in later part of this video. For now, this strategy is a strategy which we are planned to take, and you can learn from these strategies, and no point in talking about the markets which you already know. Instead, we will talk about strategies. Now what we have done, 18,550 short straddle we have taken, and 18,000 PE and 18,550 CE we have bought as hedge, around 10 lots, and total fund required is around 6.32. Now why am I saying that market will not go below 18,300? There is a reason. Now 18,300, or let's say 18,200 to 18,300 is a good demand zone, right? So good zone, good support zone. So market is likely to consolidate. And there is one more reason. On June 15th, there is a very important data which is based out of US, which is year-on-year inflation data. And let me check once again. I shouldn't be giving you wrong information. Yeah, inflation rate year-on-year, inflation rate, core inflation rate year-on-year is going to be out on 15th of June. Till that there is no data at all, there is no news at all, right? Only if there is any negative or positive news, sudden binary event, then the market will move high or lower, but before that there is no any major news at all. So what I think is, till that date you will see the market consolidating, and market will not go below 18,300 or 18,200 range. So this strategy is having a lower break even of 18,200, and we are not going to sit simply when the market reaches 18,300. So that's why I am saying you can I will share the strategy in our Telegram group. So if you want, you can join the Telegram group, and we will also see how we are going to manage. And of course I'll also as I told you, Bank Nifty is not going to go below 43,000, and I'll also share a strategy for Bank Nifty trade which I'll post in our Telegram group. So apart from that, if you see FII data, FIIs are net buyers, net sellers. They have just sold 71 crores. Of course they have bought for around huge quantity, around 2,500 crores if I am right, yesterday. And this is what the markets are looking like, and US futures are all kind of flat. Dow Jones, S&P, Nasdaq, everything is flat, so you don't expect any movement. And yesterday people asked what is going to happen in terms of market, and I told them nothing is going to happen. Market is going to open flat, and that is what has happened today. And one more news, if you see that US treasury bill, right, debt ceiling has been increased, not treasury bill, debt ceiling has been increased. And I have told this already many times that this is the 75th time. Last 40 or 50 years they have been doing the same thing again and again. Whenever the debt ceiling is increasing, they will go to Congress and they will get the approval from Congress, and this will be history. And that is what happened today also. On top of that, GDP data is also expected to be higher than expected, so that's also a positive news. So that's why I am saying market may not go below 40, Bank Nifty may not go below 43,500, and Nifty might not go below 18,200, right? Now this is the first time I am talking bullish, right? Who knows, if I start talking bullish, market may go on the downside, right? So we'll see how things pan out. Let's see how things are working. Now I expect that the market will be consolidating at least for 1 or 2 weeks. And I forgot to tell you one more thing, is that this strategy is done on 15th June trade. So make sure you join the Telegram group. I'll post the link is for the Telegram group is on the description below. If you want, you can join the Telegram group and follow us on this trade, how we manage, how we trade this, make this trade in work in our favor, is what we are going to see in our Telegram group, right? I hope there is nothing much to talk. I hope I have summarized everything. I'll see you in yet another video. Till then, take care. Bye.